Hello, travelers! Today, Joe Bot will be reading for us today. Presenting Devotion 84 and more!
Though Saul was king of Israel, the one who war with the Philistines began to show that he was not the best man in his house. His son Jonathan, the man who became of his father's sin, would never be king, quickly began to distinguish himself as a man of great worth. 1 Samuel 14, verse 6. And Jonathan said to the young man that bare his armor, Come, and let us go over unto the garrison of these uncircumcision. It may be that the Lord will work for us, for there is no restraint to the Lord to save by many or by few. And his armor-bearer said unto him, Do all these in thine heart, not turn thee, behold, I am with thee according to thy heart. In these two verses we find a wealth of information about Jonathan. We find that Jonathan had a fierce trust in the Lord. With only one man by his side and one weapon, he determined to go attack a Philistine garrison simply because he had confidence in the Lord. We also find that Jonathan was a decent theologian. He said, There is no restraint to the Lord to save by many or by few. Jonathan was giving testimony to the omnipotence of God. We then find that Jonathan was a good leader of men. His armor-bearer said, Do all that is in thine heart. Turn thee, behold, I am with thee according to thy heart. All of that, and yet Jonathan would never be king. The disobedience of his father married the future of his son. Do you want your children to have the best possible future? Then do make sure that you do everything right. If there is anyone or disobedience will affect those in our family, will inevitably be first on the list. Thanks, boss.
No, thank you, Joe. Well, friends, have a blessed day.